In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't hear sound through your headphones on your computer. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first step is you need to open up your Start menu and click on Settings. Over in the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Devices from the list of options. Now, if you're using a Bluetooth set of headphones, the first thing we need to do is try reconnecting them. So go and click on your headphones from the list of options. Next to remove this device, press remove. You can then press add device, click on Bluetooth, and you can go through the steps to repair your Bluetooth headphones. Now, if that's not working, close out of this window, open up your Start menu, and just search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Now you should be able to see your headphones from the list of devices. Simply go and right click on them and press Properties. Now click on Driver and press Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now go and select one of these options and press Next. Now if it's still not working, there's one final solution. So just come down to your volume icon in the bottom right hand side and right click on the volume icon. Now press Sound Settings, and where it says Output, this is where we need to go and select our headphones. So if it's currently set to your laptop speakers or to your microphone, make sure this is set to your headphones, which is essentially where the sound's going to be playing out from. Also make sure the volume slider is turned up. You can then come down to Input and make sure your input is set to your microphone. You can then scroll down to More Sound Settings and click on this. If you see your headphones from the list of devices, you can simply click on them and you can press this Set Default button. You also need to make sure your headphones are enabled just by right clicking and pressing the Enable button if you see it. Now once you've done this, you should now be able to hear sound through your headphones. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.